Hi everyone. In today's class we are going to learn about diode switching times. Okay. So in previous class we learned about the diode resistance and the capacitance. In today's class we are going to learn about diode switching times. Okay. Diode switching times. Okay. So the diode can be used in different applications. The diode can be used in different applications. One of such application, it can be used as a switch, electrical switch. Okay. So diode will have number of applications, different number of applications. One of such application is it can be used as an electrical switch. Okay. Used as an electrical switch. How means how this diode will act as an electrical switch means whenever the diode is in forward bias will act as a closed circuit, and whenever the diode is in reverse bias will act as a open circuit. Okay, so how this diode will act as a switch means electrical switch means the diode when the diode is when the diode is forward bias will act as a closed circuit. Okay, whenever it is in reverse bias, and that diode will act as an open circuit. It is reverse biased, will act as a open circuit. Okay, so means here we are using a diode as electrical switch under the forward bias condition as well as the reverse bias condition. Under forward bias condition it will act as an open closed circuit, and under reverse bias it will act as a open circuit. Okay, hence the change of forward and reverse bias states takes the diode to work as a switch. Okay, change of these states. Okay, the change of states, forward state to a reverse state, so that indicates the diode to be act as a switch. Okay, changing from this forward bias to a and reverse bias. Okay, so the forward bias diode indicates the on state, on state. Okay, so reverse bias diode indicates the off state. Okay, so the diode is forward biased means the diode is under closed circuit, nothing but it will act as an on state. Okay, if the circuit is closed, then there is a movement of current inside the diode. If there is a current, then that will be in on state. Okay, whenever this is a reverse biased, nothing but that is in open circuit. If there is an open circuit, there is no flow of current. Okay, that will indicate the off state. Okay, so change of this on state to off state and off state to on state we require some amount of time. Ideally there is no time required, but if you consider an ideal case, there is no requirement to change this on state to off state, nothing but a forward bias to a reverse bias diode. There is no time required, but in practical sense there is a requirement of time to change from this on state to half state. Okay, and half state to on state. So there exist two times. Okay, two timings, those are nothing but a forward recovery time, forward recovery time, which indicates the TFR, and reverse recovery time. Okay, there exist two timings to change from this on state to half state and half state to on state. Those are nothing but a forward recovery time, and the next one is a reverse recovery time. Okay, so which indicated by TRR. Okay, so first of all we go for the definition of these two, then we go for the analysis of this forward recovery time and the reverse recovery time. Okay, so first of all we consider the forward recovery time. Forward recovery time, nothing but a the time interval taken by the diode to switch from the reverse bias to a forward bias. Okay, will act as that we call as a forward recovery time. Okay, so the time interval taken by the diode to switch from reverse bias is nothing but a half state to a forward bias. Forward bias is nothing but a on state, is called as a forward recovery time. Okay, TFR. Okay, the time period or time interval taken by the diode to switch from this reverse bias means half state to on state. We require some amount of time in practical sense. That time we call as a forward recovery time. Okay, so another time is there, that is nothing but a reverse recovery time for a diode. Okay, so reverse recovery time is nothing but a opposite of this one, the time interval taken by the diode to switch from forward bias nothing but a on state, okay, to a reverse bias nothing but a half state, is called as a reverse recovery time. TRR. Okay, for a diode we require two types of timings are required. Those are nothing but a forward recovery time and the reverse recovery time. Forward recovery time is nothing but the time interval in practical sense. For ideal case, there is no time required to change from this on state to half state. In switching of this on state to half state, there is no requirement of time for an ideal sense. But if we consider a practical sense, there is a requirement of time to switch from this on state to half state. Nothing but a forward state to reverse state and the reverse state to forward state. Okay, so switching of this reverse state to forward state, we require a time. That time we call as a forward recovery time. Okay, switching of this forward to reverse bias nothing but on state to half state require a time. That time we call as a reverse recovery time. Okay, so after knowing this definition, we are going to learn about the analysis of this reverse recovery time and the forward recovery time. Okay,